Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore holistic approaches to wellness. Today, we're diving into the world of do-it-yourself natural remedies for common health conditions. From soothing sore muscles to calming inflammation, we've got you covered with simple and effective solutions you can try at home. Let's get started. Turmeric for pain and inflammation. This vibrant spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. To make a DIY turmeric paste, simply mix turmeric powder with a bit of water or coconut oil until you form a thick paste. Apply it to sore joints or muscles for natural pain relief. Ginger for nausea and digestion. Next on our list is ginger, a true superstar when it comes to calming upset stomachs and easing nausea. Whether you're dealing with motion sickness or morning sickness, ginger can provide quick relief. For a soothing ginger tea, simply grate some fresh ginger into hot water, add a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of honey, and voila! You've got yourself a delicious and effective remedy. Eucalyptus oil for respiratory relief. Moving on to respiratory health, let's talk about eucalyptus oil. This aromatic essential oil is known for its ability to clear congestion and ease respiratory discomfort. For a DIY eucalyptus steam inhalation, simply add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water. Lean over the bowl with a towel over your head and inhale deeply for instant relief. Lavender for stress and anxiety. Last but certainly not least, let's discuss lavender, nature's ultimate stress reliever. Lavender has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. For a calming lavender bath, simply add a few drops of lavender essential oil to your bathwater and soak away your worries. You can also use lavender oil in a diffuser to create a peaceful atmosphere in your home. And there you have it, DIY natural remedies for common health conditions. Remember, these remedies are meant to complement, not replace, conventional medical treatments. Always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new remedies, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and stay well.